The jobs report for September is due today. Let's bring in Michelle Schneider, the chief market analyst at Market Gauge. Mish, with a world of news today, will the jobs report be key to watching the market?
Well, it is and it isn't, Angie, because I don't know if that's going to be the end-all be-all when we've got so much else going on now with port strikes and escalating war in the Middle East. And what I'm taking from this whole thing vis-a-vis the jobs is essentially on the heels of what Powell said last week. We're actually seeing yields go up a little bit, which of course has to do with the geopolitical stress and the dollar rising, which will happen in uncertain times. It's a flight to safety. So we have to see like maybe 4.7% in the unemployment rate, or like back down to around 4%, I think, before the market would have an overreaction. And I say overreaction, which would mean to supplant the reaction we're having now to essentially a potential bigger war.
What's second on your list?
Let's go shopping, because as we know, when we have these type of corrections, the market still looks intact. But this is really where I start to think about the themes that I love and things getting much cheaper. And where would I potentially put money to work? Not buying falling knife, mind you, never recommending that, but finding things that are making key reversals into key support in areas that I love. And that's kind of where I'm at right now. So, you know, we could talk about that. The other thing to talk about, of course, is let's not dismiss commodities. You know that I have been very bullish in commodities, silver, gold, now oil looking better.
You have your shopping list together, so what's topping your buy list?
Well, let's go shopping, right? Because I love shopping, and Elf Beauty has gotten killed. I mean, just slaughtered, taken to the abattoir, to use a fancy word. And it's trading at 103, 104 as we're speaking. And I look back in 2023, we had a low, well, it was lower than that, but the 101 area was really good support. So I'm looking at that for a potential turnaround. I mean, Elf Beauty, if we go into stagflation, people will still buy makeup. If we go into recession, people will still buy makeup. And if we go into a stronger economy, people will buy makeup. So I think the stock got a little ahead of itself, but in the vanity play that I love, that would be one that if it turns around, let's say, can get back through 106, I think you have a pretty good low risk.
Thank you, Mish. Have a great trading day.
Oh, thank you, Angie.
Go to Business First AM.